Good morning, children. Today we will do another important lesson from our GK book. Okay, that is about lesson number 10, famous landmarks. So, kids, India is a large country. There are several such places which attract the people to visit and see them. Okay, some of the given below pictures are there. These are very famous landmarks in India located in different states. So, let's see some of them. See the first picture, children. This is Hawa Mahal. That means in English we call it as the Palace of Winds or the Palace of Breeze. Is a palace in Jaipur. Okay, it is nearby Delhi city. Built from red and pink sandstone. The palace sits on the edge of the city palace, Jaipur. See the second picture. This is Victoria Memorial. Is a large marble building in Kolkata, West Bengal, India, which was built between 1906 and 1921. It is dedicated to the memory of Queen Victoria, then Empress of India. But now it is a museum. See the third picture. This is Cellular Jail, also known as Kala Pani, was a colonial prison in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, India. Okay, the prison was used by the Britishers for the express purpose of exiling political prisoners. See the next picture, number 4. This is Sanchi Stupa, is a biggest Buddhist complex, famous for its great stupa on a hilltop at Sanchi town in the state of Madhya Pradesh, India. See the picture number 5. This is Taj Mahal, is an ivory white marble mausoleum, that means it's a tomb, on the southern bank of the river Yamuna in the India city of Agra. Okay. See the picture number 6. This is Charminar, is a famous monument and a mosque located in Hyderabad, Telangana, India. The landmark has become known globally as a symbol of Hyderabad and is listed among the most recognized structures in India. See the picture number 7. This is Golden Temple, is also known as Har Mandir Sahib, and it is exalted court is a Gurudwara located in the city of Amritsar, Punjab, India. The last and final image, number 8, Mysore Palace, is a historical place and the royal residence at Mysore in India, state of Karnataka. So children, till now we have seen many places and their whereabouts and their states also, right? So here in this worksheet you need to write about the monument and the place where it is located. Okay. First one, Hawa Mahal is in Jaipur. Second one, Victoria Memorial is in Kolkata. Third one, Cellular Jail is in Andaman and Nicobar. Fourth one, Sanchi Stupa is in Sanchi. And fifth one, Taj Mahal is in Agra. Sixth one, Charminar is in Hyderabad. Golden Temple is in Amritsar. Last one, eighth one, Mysore Palace is in Mysuru, Karnataka. So children, I hope that you all finish this worksheet. Okay. Now you can check these answers with the help of this answer sheet also. Children, now we will go to another worksheet, page number 21, lesson number 13, National Parks and Wildlife Sanctuaries. Okay. National parks are areas set aside by the national governments to preserve the natural environment or the wildlife. Okay. So our government has secured all these parks and as forests also to save them. There are 80 national parks and about 441 wildlife sanctuaries in India. So children, in this worksheet, what we need to do, we need to read all these wildlife sanctuaries and we need to match with the states where they are located. Okay. First of all, we need to learn about these wildlife sanctuaries and where they are located with the help of many pictures. Okay. Children, this is Chilka Lake. You can find this lake and the sanctuary at Odisha. This is Gir National Park and Sanctuary. You can find this national park at Gujarat. This is Bandhavgarh Tiger Reserve. This is very big tiger reserve. You can find this in Madhya Pradesh. This is Ranthambore National Park. This is at Rajasthan. This is Dachingam National Park. You can find this at Jammu Kashmir. This is Kaziranga National Park is at Assam. Sultanpur National Park is in Haryana. Sundarban National Park is also a big national park. You can find this in West Bengal. This is Srisalam Sanctuary. This is in Andhra Pradesh. This is Sanjay Gandhi National Park. It is in Mumbai. So children, like this you need to match the wildlife sanctuary to its state. Okay. Chilka Lake is in Odisha. H you should write like this. Okay. So I have provided you the answer sheet also. For any further reference you can use this answer sheet. Okay. I hope you all finished this worksheet along with me. Okay. That's all for now. We'll meet you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.